Got some brand new lights today. Check this out. Some new grill lights from the XD Titan, which you can put on the Platinum Reserve and Pro4X trucks. Just got through putting them on. So I wanted you guys to check this out. They were really a pain in the butt to put them on, but we finally got them on, and it was worth it. It's beautiful. Just wanted to see these at night. They look good during the day. We had overcast today, but still. Yeah. Very nice.